All right, let's do this. We figured it out, y'all. Oh man. Oh my gosh. It was so frustrating. It's like one of those things where you're just like, I have no clue as to why it wasn't working. And then it started working. Well, it's not even that. It's like, I know why it wasn't working and I know how I got it working. It was weird because I was told that like ultimately the problem was that I had like one more step to go. And doing the one extra step was like, rough. But now let's take a look at this. So we can list services and then we can get the actual service thing going and then immediately just do like, so first let's go to the original problem. The original problem was that for the sake of it, I was doing this. And then we'll just say like echo, sure. Starting service, why not? Cool. Yeah, it works. Oh, also, I figured out the issue for my NVIM instance. Long story short, update your stuff. That was one of the problems. So now when I run this, what we get is... Oh, we weren't even getting this. We were getting like... We were doing like this. I can't even see. This is the problem. This is the exact like frustrating part of this is that I can't even replicate the issue anymore. Cannot index array with service name. I don't think that's gonna work either. Okay. See, yeah, I can't even... We can kind of get to what we were trying to do by just doing like this, I guess. Now that I've removed it... Oh, geez. See, like this isn't even it. Effectively, the problem that we had was we were receiving all of this as one item. And while we were receiving it as one item, it was causing problems. And I think a part of it was that we were like just doing, is that it? Nope, that's not it either. Hard to tell. But the big thing that we learned was for this to work, you gotta, well, it's not gonna work either, but we needed to do another mapping. Oh, actually I can pull this from, because I even asked ChatGPT like, hey, how do I fix this? And it was like, I don't know, bro. Figure it out. Let's see. What did I write before? Just want to see what I had written so that I can pull it. Just want to see what the diff was here. All right. That wasn't it. Okay. Let's find out. That moment where you fix it and then you can't re-break it to figure out how you fixed it before. That's a fun moment. But oh, this is, well, that's an easy issue right there. That needs to be like that. That needs to be like that. Here. Let's try this first. So we were getting a couple of issues. We were getting this file name too long issue, but we were also getting it to send out as like one big item. And a lot of that was just due to, for some reason, this mapping, which is different. I don't know. Anyway, the mapping was wrong, and it's such an easy mistake to make. And in reality, the fix was two things. The fix was, one, write the code the right way, and then also to separate your concerns a little bit more, which makes it easier to troubleshoot. Which is funny because a lot of code, including code that we will go back and fix in a second, was messed up because of, or they wanted me to compress it down, which I'm like, whatever, not my code base, but this is my code base, or this is my code problem, I guess. So if we're doing for service in echo services, and we need to do echo services, otherwise we get the name too long error. Like, see if we do this, do we get the name too long error? Yeah, file name too long, because it wants to just make all that a file name. Instead, we need to echo it. When we echo it, we get the services out, which I think was a problem. I think that was something that we were doing wrong. And then now the other side of this is we need to, now that we've mapped out the service names, we need to JQ-R this, which is just going to put items on a new line. It doesn't put the items on a new line. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right, so we're still getting the file name too long. There it goes. All right. And this is just confusing JQ stuff, to be all honest. The confusing JQ stuff was, one, if you want to expand on something, you do dot line. Basically, all that does is tell it to like send out all the things. Send all the things. Apparently, someone was saying, well, ChatGPT was saying you could do this instead, but I don't see that working. We'll find out. Yeah, see, that doesn't. That says, that turns it into a single line again. That compresses everything, which is not what we want. We want them individualized. And then again, if we do R, it puts everything on a new line, but it includes the actual array itself. So what we needed to do is we need to unpack the array. And I think we could either do that like dot bracket, or we can just do map. I don't know if you can just do map like that though. I don't know if that works. It does not work. I was expecting that to be some weird issue. And I'm guessing that we're getting like an error, which is why it's saying file name too long. But again, the solution here was to just do that. And then now we should get starting each of these services. And what we don't actually want to start these services. We want to apply tags to these services. Yeah, so we can say applying tag to service, and then we just do our NVIM. And maybe we actually don't do this mapping in here. do that, and then we can do oh dang. So map select tags equals none. So what this does is this is going to give all of the services. And this should give us the things that we want still. Okay, it still gives us our 3 options. What happens if we get rid of that? Unmatched? What's unmatched? Over here somewhere. Yep. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh yeah, because I just hit AVN. So it's doing the thing. But in the bottom it's saying file name too long. Do we need to echo this up here? And then we don't need to echo there, right? Condition expected. Line 3, that's here. Oh, yeah, I guess you would do echo all of those things. Interesting. So this talks about like how this is how brittle, in my opinion, like JQ is, and this may just be a lack of not knowing a ton about this. Huh. Okay, so that worked. And then for this, we just need to echo services again. And that should work. We're still getting that file name too long. That's wild. Oh. Do you have to tell it to unpack services? Nope. I'm so confused on how this works, because it's just like it's saying that it can't do anything with this, but then this works and that works. Like if we did this, right? That works. But then if we say just services like that, right? We get file name too long. Which is why I was saying like doing like echo services. Oh, there it goes. So echo services works now. Uh-huh. Cool. Which I find funny that now it's not beautifying it the way we wanted. But if we just add JQ to the end like that. I don't know. There it goes. That's what I was wanting. I was like, just make it pretty. I want to see. I want to be able to read it. Unlike, luckily, I mean that's still readable, but it's just still easier to read. All right. So now the next step would be to. So we're finding everything without tags. Can we comment this? Yep. Get services that are not tagged. Perfect. And then for this, we're going to do what? We're going to do NVIM service tag update. Yeah. Oh, that's correct. Other than that space there. We don't want tag value, but we want like something like that, right? So what we should get now is this should start this should apply the tag for all those services. And now when we, whoa, okay, didn't like something. Service tags update, is that no. It's add tags. That's what it was. Unrecognized argument, service name. Oh. Huh. Invalid choice. Oh, we didn't save it. Unrecognized arguments, add tags. So just add tag. Invalid key value pair. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't help if I don't do it the right way. You have to do it's this equals. There we go. Applying tags updated. Oh, wait. Okay. It just you gotta give it a second because it's a REST API thing. think you just remove the entire tag, right? You don't. I'm just trying to play around with this a little bit to get a good idea of how this works. Just do this 'cause it's gonna give me the error, right? You didn't give me the error. Oh, I keep forgetting I need to save it. I'm so used to VS Code auto-saving. Okay. I know I just saved it, so that's wild. We need docs. Where are docs? I was gonna say, come on, you gotta just give me the documentation. Don't play around with it. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Did it literally just go back? See the Ivan client documentation on GitHub. Oh, yeah. Like we have documentation now. We could update this to just have the regular documentation. Of course, this was on in 2019, so like, we really want you to know we have a GitHub repo for it. At least you know it's open source, right? There we go. Getting started. Ivan CLI, billing service, AVN service, service tags, tags list. You can even list them in JSON, which is fun. Tags replace. Update, remove tag. That's what I thought. Remove tag. And then it's just the service tag key. So yeah. AVN service tags, update the service, remove tag, the environment. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna run AVN. Let's do streaming, open search. Hold on. AVN service tags update streaming dash open search dash remove tag env. Tags update. Okay, what did I do different? What did I do different? I don't feel like I did anything different. Pretty sure this doesn't do anything different, but wait, what? Oh, because that's the only one that doesn't have a tag. Yeah. Oh, snap. Okay, we're learning now. We're learning now. Yeah. Okay, so this is a thing that we've got to figure out. Because the thing that we did here is we did this select with no tags. You just get rid of that. You just completely remove that, and then this works. How long do I need to sleep this for before it reflects? Good lord. Okay, there should be none now, right? There it goes. Okay, so all the tags are gone now. We removed the tags. They're all gone. I'm just gonna make this 5 because good lord. All right, so the idea of this is that let's do 2 of these. All right. I wonder, how do you do functions? That's JavaScript. Why are you trying to give me a JavaScript? Wait. Oh, well, that is it. Okay, well, I was wrong. You're right. Okay. Select name. Compiler. Where are we seeing a compile error? Oh, I see it. Tags is not, oh yeah, tags not defined at the top level. All right, it's gonna sleep, and now it's gonna show the tags. Well, it's supposed to show the tags, but it didn't, which makes me wonder if it's gonna show them both empty. That's annoying. So that's really interesting in that, like, it literally takes, I don't know, this. Oh, I wonder if it's showing. I wonder if it's showing the same because it can't be, because it worked before. Which is why we don't echo that, because if we echo it, then it's just going to take the output. Fam, it's kind of gross. That's kind of gross that it's not. Okay, we're just gonna. Okay. So this is interesting. Question. We saved it as services, right? Okay. 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 Then why did it work before? That's weird. Okay. Well, you know. Also doesn't help that we're just calling. I can never remember how you do that. Because I will mess that up and immediately pay for it. So what we're doing is I want us to like show it twice. What did I do the last time? There it goes. Okay, so see, yeah, now what we're doing is we're adding it and then we're removing him back, which is fine. That's kind of the interesting part about this is that okay. Again, the idea with this is that you can create some simple functions that will do a lot of what you're trying to do quickly. And yes, I know that like why do all of this when the CLI is there? A lot of this is purely because the CLI just gives you a ton of information and I just don't want to see all the information. The information is so much information that it's like it like hurts my brain to figure out what I need and what I don't need. So it's simple enough to say like once you've figured out how to do the JQ stuff, you're set. Because here then we just do get tag list. Same. So yeah, we should see of course there's some goofy error here. Nope, those are there. Done. Get tag list. Is that all good? That's good. Where's it yelling? 25. Oh, down here. Oh yeah, that's. Oh, I should probably call these, right? Same thing with Python. Like, oh, hey, you're doing a Python thing. You gotta actually call them. How do I call these? Like that? I feel like that's how you call them. Wait. Is that it? Why am I checking? Why don't I just learn like... Okay, you can do function, you know, whatever. Interesting. How to call a function. Oh yeah, you just call them. Interesting. Interesting. It's the type of stuff that you gotta like get some practice in, otherwise you will just mess it up. You will just straight mess it up. I should have realized whenever it was like solid like that that something was wrong, but I don't know what I'm doing, so. Which again, the world would be a better place if we all just admitted that sometimes we just have no clue what we're doing, which is perfectly fine. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, so see? So now we have, granted this script feels probably a little more than it needs to be, but this is so that we can do some things. So what I want to do is I want to do add tag. We can pass in variables, right? Bash function variables. Whoa. Hold on. Change. So you put the echo inside the function. Echo variable 1 is variable. What? Variables in Bash are global by default. Next, adding the keyword local makes them accessible only within the function and the child function and processes. Okay, so local var 1 equals 5. Yeah, this is what I was trying to figure out. Okay, so you just do 0. Anytime you're getting this deep, you do consider whether or not you want to just do a like programming language. That's annoying. Bash function return, that's fine. We don't care about that. Arguments. 1 second. So many things at one time. All right. Oh snap! I broke a thing. That's fine. All right, but we've done what we set out to do here. I think the only thing that we would do here differently is maybe we add like that, and then we can, so that way when we do this, we can do add tag, and then we're gonna say, yeah, environment equals dev, like that. And then when we do here, we just need to do the same thing. Just that. All right. So now when we run this, we've got bang. It's applying, it's applying, it's applying. We see the tag, we remove the tag is gone. All right, cool. So we did the thing. We've done all the, oh, you can't see it because of my gigantic noggin there. Let's move this over here. One more time, maximum effort. All right, we run it. You see the tag, it's applying the tag, it's doing the thing, it updated. We see the tags, it removed them. Cool. And I'm sure we could, again, we could make it do a bunch of stuff, but it's not the end of the world. Just want to make sure that actually prints right. Okay, yeah, it does. Sweet. Yeah. Beautiful. All right. And now the question that, the thing that we've all been wondering, like, what is this 4J? Why are we even going through this mental exercise? This is so that we can start and stop these services based on their tags. So one, we can add the tags if they don't have them. So that's kind of one thing. The next thing we want to do is we want to be able to, we'll say, start services with tag. And the simple reason for that is, oh, this is interesting because we need to change. I do want to do one more thing with this. I want to see if we can get the key, because right now we're doing this map select tags. So we need to do map select tags. Key. Key. Because right now it's just grabbing everything, and we don't want that. We want it to have okay. Had a weird compilation error, which makes sense because I didn't add enough of these to the end. Should be 2. Yeah. There's still a compile error. Oh, did I not save it? It just returned nothing. All right. Let's try this first and foremost. So AVN. I don't think we need to do all of this. We just need to do okay, cool. So we got that. Now again, let's change one of these. Avian service tags update. Streaming Valky. Cool. So now when we run this, okay, cool. We get one without it. And then now we want to space. We want map select tags let's find the actual JQ lingo for this. Has key, right? Has key. Map has 2. Like, that's not helpful. That's not helpful. Okay, so we know that if we do like tags map because we know it has tags, but we need like map. This is why we're saying select tags has. What do they do with that? As a function, has env, something like that is what I'm thinking it's supposed to be. Cannot index array with string tags. Okay, so this part is wrong. Select we did the thing where we, so like this is the problem that I'm having here where I'm seeing this. The built-in function has returns whether the input object has the given key or the input array has an element at the given index. The built-in function in returns whether or not the input key is in the given object or the input corresponds to an element given in the array. It's the inverse of has. But how do you do the input? What's this input look like? Has foo. Yeah, see, this is what I'm saying. Like, if you have tags, like that, false, right? I probably should have just did this to play around with it this whole time instead of like banging my head against the proverbial wall. So y'all can see this a little bit better. There we go. And see, this is what I'm saying, map. See, I was thinking you just do tags like that. Yeah, see, if you do that, that's fine. But the problem is do you do select okay. Select map tags, map has foo. Okay. Good Lord. All right, so now we need to select map.tags pipe map has env. What's our compile error here? I'm missing an around select. Cannot check whether. Cannot check whether object has a object key. All right, hold on. Like that. I feel like you gotta like map twice. Cannot index string with yep. Yep. Cannot check whether string has object key. I'm just over here flailing. So this has got to be it, right? Let's just return the actual JSON here. Let's get that. We're gonna pass this in here. Copy. Paste that in. Oh. Okay. So we want map select tags. Oh, wait. No, we got to map these first. You got to map them first because you have So that removes the string there. Which again, that does, I think it does the same thing as map. If we just did map dot like that. Oh, that's wild. That's interesting. That's interesting. Because that's turning each of them into their own array. If we do that, yeah. Interesting. Okay, so we want to select. We want to select dot there. No, we don't want to select dot there. Oh. Yeah. So if we do that, that strips them from the array. And then we can say pipe has There it goes. Okay. That's gnarly, but I think I'm figuring it out now. So the challenge here is, how do we write that now? So this gives us everything, right? So now we need to do select dot pipe. So select everything with tags. Can we just do the tags though? Okay, so we can just do tags. Okay. So select dot tags has environment. Yeah. Cannot index array with string tags. What did I do different? We're not trying to index the array. Okay, that's the list, right? And then we just do dash select. Okay. Huh. Whoa. Pause. That didn't do the same thing. All right. So now what if we do map select? Still keeps it in the, it's still an array. Is it because we have the dash R there? No, not because we have the dash R there. That's interesting. That's interesting because with this, when we had that JSON, if we just did select like that, it's no longer in the array. But here, when we do this, it still is in the array. Do we have to do the unpacking here? Do we have to say unpack this like that? We do. Okay, so that's wow. That's interesting that that is the case, but there we go. Okay, so you just have to unpack it one more time, which is wild. What if you just do select dot select dot? I'm just wondering. Select dot select dot. No, it does not. You have, so map dot. No. Okay. So yeah, you just gotta, you just unpack it that way. All right, so now we can take our script. This is wild, yo. This is so wild. Okay, but now we know how to do it, which makes this, awesome. So first we unpack it. We don't need this. We select this, select tags. And then we're gonna say, not that, tags has Q1, position 1. map service name, and then unpack them. This unpacking thing here does a ton of work, because that's what the problem was before, was that we were getting that information, but we were still getting it as an array, but it was an array with like one. We were just like, okay, iterate through this array of one thing, which is why I was breaking. And I don't even know how to rebuild that. I don't even know how to set that back up, but I think now we have a good fix. Because what we can do is when we run this now, when we say why is my history broken? Did I not save this? Okay, so it's applying. No. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't know what that means. That .1 means. Invalid character. Am I missing a... Huh? Where though? Okay, that's fair. That's from the top, right? That unpacks it. Where'd that come from? I was wondering why I was saying 21. What are we doing here? Come on, something. Oh. Man, auto typers will definitely mess you up instantly. All right. Cannot iterate over Boolean false. Yeah, that needs to go there. Boom, boom, boom. I think we're close. Expecting end of file. Okay, wait. I think that's all correct, right? That's all correct. Then we have we're just gonna do this just to see what happens, like that. I'm so confused as to why this isn't working. Because that's the same thing. And that works. Oh, no. That's the naming too long. That's the naming too long error. Uh-huh. Right. 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 Whoa, wait. Yeah, that's right. That I broke it. Oh, there we go. I was like, oh no, our table, it's broken. Okay, that's fine. It did the thing that I needed it to, which is like it showed that it was unpacked. Select dot tags pipe has env. Not even has env, sorry. Has one. Right? You gotta get around that one as well. Oh shoot. Yeah. How to redirect execute command to current buffer. That's not what I'm trying to do. Yeah, we know. It's you do the exclamation point, right? Yeah, I'm not really trying to, what? Unix quoting shell issues. don't understand how that's different, but expected string key before the colon? What? What are you telling me? I don't understand what it's telling me. It's telling me something, I just don't understand what it's telling me. I'm just confused on what it's like, the issue that it's telling me, because it's giving me I'm so lost. Expected string key before the colon at line 26, column 2. Line 26, column 2 is here. That's why I'm so confused. I don't understand what it's even. Is it? What are you? Service and echo services. GQ. Yeah, this just shows the bottom because it's returning nothing. if we okay. This returns everything, but it returns everything vomited out like that, which is fine. Oh, that's weird that it puts. I mean, again, fine, because we know that that's meant to be like that. That's not like a. That's because we just told it to unpack it, right? So now it'll be told to unpack. Like if we just did has env like that. I'm just very confused by like cannot iterate over string. Whoa, that's interesting. So now it's trying to do. Oh no. For some reason I thought it was. For some reason I thought he had a thing for JQ. Oh well. It was worth a shot. It was worth a shot. We thought maybe Terps had it. Um Oh, let's leave that. We'll need that later. Yeah, let's just do that, right? That seems right. Wait, we're doing something dumb. We're doing something dumb. That's just empty. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Okay, I mean that's right. That's what it's supposed to be. All right, I'm starting to lose steam. Whoa, 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 whoa. That ain't right. Yeah, hadn't ran. It's returning nothing, which is why we're not seeing anything. So actually kind of one of the reasons why this is nicer, just having a separate window over here, because you can just see it. When it does nothing, then you know it did nothing. All right. It returned nothing because there's nothing there to return. So that's, I mean, that's right. That's what it's supposed to do, right? Wait. See, I feel like you're supposed to do that. I feel like that's got to be in there. You could either do that or you can do map and then service name in there like that. Is it because we're not? I'm so confused. We don't have to echo services here. If we just call services like that, and then we do JQ We can do that. That works, right? We run that. Top level program. Not. Oh yeah, we didn't give it anything. If we just say JQ. And it just says it ran, but it didn't return anything, right? So now we're saying if we do echo services JQ. Yeah. I'm really confused by the file name too long. It unpacks it. Well, it doesn't unpack it. It like gives up on the unpacking. But if we tell that to echo, right? Ooh. Tell that to run. What's that? What's that colon at the end? That's weird. So random colon at the end? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? I wonder if that's why the whole name was too long thing was going. I don't want to cry. You want to cry. This whole time I just had a weird colon at the end, and it was like, I don't know what to do with this goofy thing you've given me. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh. Okay. I'm so confused. Oh, I gotta do done. That's why. Oh, whoops. Yeah, let's do this like that. So if we run this now, the thing is we're gonna get nothing. These are all empty, right? Cool. Good Lord. All right. I'm going to call it there because, one, we've been streaming for 2 hours. I don't even know what happened. Oh my gosh. Really quick. I don't have a ton of time. We got like 20 minutes. So let's go check out the thing that we got to do. We got to fix this PR. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Stop going into the async one. There we go. That's fine. We keep bumping into these syntax errors, and they are very annoying. Okay, yeah, we want these, right? Okay, so that's test async IO. No. Great. Okay, cool. This is a hot mess. This is a mess. Okay. Your branch is up to date. So if you get pool. Okay. At least now everything is what? There it goes. Okay. Okay, whatever. I'm so frustrated. It is so. How do I? It shouldn't be 12 commits. It should not be 12 commits. This should all just be one commit. It shouldn't be 12 commits. This is the problem. Git pull, sub one, clean. Okay, cool. Git rebase main. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is where we ran into an issue. It could not apply it. It's the same ones, right? Next. That looks, That's right. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Okay. Get rebase. Continue. Okay, so now that we're on the main branch, is it physically possible to do the thing? Can we? Please tell me I did it right. Good Lord, thank you. I don't remember doing this. I didn't do that. Something else did it. Something else had to have done it. It had to have been like a. It didn't fix everything. I'm sure it's still failing for some reason. Okay, well that's fine. That canceled. All right, y'all. I'm gonna call it there again. I said I was gonna call it and then I didn't, and now I'm paying for it. One more issue. This isn't even my code. Okay. I gotta get ready for a podcast, so like I gotta call it. But thanks for hanging out with me. This has been stressful. This has been so stressful. Maybe we'll be back after the podcast. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. All right, y'all. Take care.